Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to your 1 p.m. update. I'm Steve Rhodes, coming to you live from Delray Beach, Florida. Right now, we got all the indices in the red. The Dow down 200 points. That's about 0.75%. The S&P is down 1 full percentage point, 30 points. Trade down to 29.61. NASDAQ off 120 points, 1.5%. Same with the Russell 2000. Semis are off 2%, 31 points. So everything looks mean and red out there. If we begin by taking a look at the ES Mini. So we're going to do that, folks, instead of taking a look at the S&P 500. And the reason is what we're doing here is are trying to identify any potential support levels. Now, we're looking at the December contract daily time frame for the ES Mini. You're going to see two sets of colored horizontal lines on my chart. Those are the TAS profiles. The dailies are the blue. The weeklies are the green. Right now, and I don't know where the end of day price for the ES Mini closes, but if it closes below 29.72, that's a suggestion of a change in trend. If it closes above 29.72, well, then all that was going on today was a key test of support, the bottom of that daily profile. Now, if there is a close below that level, well, we can see just slightly underneath it another, 51, 61, another 14 points to the downside is the bottom of the weekly profile. So 29.51 would be the level to be watching. If we go take a look at the Dow, let's put this up here right now, put up the December contract. Now, the contract recently rolled, and so what that does is oftentimes what you and I need to do in order to really be able to identify these TAS market profiles is look to what I call Stevie's synthetic contract. And the synthetic contract, because it has all of the historical data, the current contract really doesn't have. My system here is struggling a bit to come populate that. Let me move over here, see if we can do that. So it's going to have a different symbol than taking a look at the December contract. Right now, we're taking a look at is the Dow, see if this thing will populate here, looking for the daily time frame. But let's just shift over to the upper right-hand corner, and that is the weekly time frame for the Dow Equity Futures contract. And if this is a change in trend, stay tuned for the show, folks. You can see price move down to 26,002. That's the weekly TAS market profile on Stevie's synthetic version of the contract. Hey, stay tuned for a great hour, another great afternoon, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.